Hi! Some time ago I recorded 3 videos with face massage targeting 3 areas on the face: smile wrinkles, around the eye wrinkles and forehead wrinkles. You often ask whether it's okay to do all these 3 in one day. The answer is yes. Therefore I thought to make it easy and combine all these techniques into one video. So if you ever fancy a nice big long face massage, this is the only video you will ever have to open. We'll start with smile wrinkles, and before we start I'll apply some oil. I'm using grapeseed oil. We will start in the middle of the chin with these 2 fingers. We will run along the smile lines and finish at the forehead. Unlike in my original video, this time we're going to be repeating the move 6 times and not 9, because 6 times will also give you a really good results without taking up all evening, and we have a lot of moves to go through. This is 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're taking a couple of fingers, doing little circles around the nose. Then we'll take these 3 fingers, place it right here near the nose. We're going to be using mostly middle finger, and we move up towards the eye. We repeat it 6 times. Now we are doing it on the other side. You often ask whether it's okay to do 2 sides at the same time. You can, but I recommend to do 1 side at a time, because this gives you a little bit better precision. Then we are curving the finger, placing it right on a nasolabial fold, and in a straight move we move to the temple. We repeat it 6 times. And the same on the other side. Now we are doing a similar move, but this time instead of a straight line to the temple, we're doing the curved line. And we repeat it 6 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the same on the other side. And finally, putting 3 fingers on the side of the nose, we are also repeating the curved line. We're doing it 6 times. That was 3, 4, 5, 6. Somehow smiling while doing it helps me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's move to the eye wrinkles straight away. Let's begin with just using our ring finger, starting in the middle of the forehead and doing gentle circles around the eyes. You can do this using these 2 fingers or these 2 fingers, but I find it gently doing with the ring finger the most relaxing for me. When we're done, we're placing these 2 fingers at the corner of the eye and doing little circles, gently moving these muscles. Now taking middle finger, placing at the corner of the eye, we're gently moving it to the temple. We repeat it 6 times. So 3, 4, 5, 6, and we do the same on the other side. And finally, taking these 2 fingers, placing them at the top of the cheekbones and doing this kind of moves, the serpentine moves to the temple. We repeat it 6 times. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6. Moving to the forehead, we start with the pressure points that are around here at the lion wrinkle place. We press it for a few seconds. We move it slightly higher, right there. There are 3rd points here. There's another point here as well, if you like, where 2 bones meet together. And we're just gently pressing. Placing 3 fingers just in the place of the lion wrinkle as well, and moving up. We're repeating it 6 times. 3, 4, 5, 6. It's almost like stroking yourself. We do the same thing at that line here at the top of the corner of the eye. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we're holding the middle of the forehead, and with the other hand, also using these 3 fingers, we are doing a straight line from this place to the temple. We repeat it 6 times. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're doing the same thing in the middle of the forehead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And at the top, but here we are doing a curved motion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You repeat the same thing on the other side. Now we're taking these 2 fingers, starting right here, we're moving up on both sides at the same time. And we repeat it a few times. And finally, we can come back to the pressure points right here in the middle of the forehead, just to finish off in a very gentle mood, very relaxed pressure points. That's all. If you want fast results, you can repeat this twice a day, but be careful on the pressure, because too much pressure can cause more damage than good. But for those who are quite happy with the way their face look and they would just like to maintain that look for as long as possible, I recommend to do this massage every second day or twice a week, because that should be perfectly enough to make the most of your skin at any age you are. Thanks very much. I hope this is helpful. I will see you in my other videos. Bye bye!